Yeah, baby.
Oh, careful.
Careful, Micah. We've got to be very
Okay, Micah,
careful around
go
the
sit
baby.
down. Okay, go sit down by the baby. Baby Layla.
Baby Layla. Okay? I'm going to put her right here, Micah.
Micah, give her a kiss.
Can you give baby a kiss?
Box her up.
Sit down.
Where'd it
Okay,
go?
she'll sit down.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. Can you give her a kiss? Micah, give the baby a kiss. Uh-oh. Fall down. Okay, let's be careful with the fall down. Your sister. Where'd it go? Do you want to give the baby... Can you show me how you give her a kiss? Give her a kiss. What?
Do you want her to sit in your chair?
Okay, throw it that way. Can you give the baby a kiss? Let's see you give her a kiss. Oh, that was so nice. Can you give her another kiss? Kiss on the cappy? Oh,
Micah
nice.
loves the baby.
do you want to sit next to her? Okay, sit down in your chair. Do you want to sit on Ema's lap?
Wait, I think he wants the baby to sit on his chair.
Okay. Yeah, baby. There.
Micah.
There. Baby Layla's on Micah's chair.
Okay, you have
Well,
to hold the ball though.
Yeah, you can't. No throwing the ball by the baby.
You have to hold it.
You want to give it to her?
Are you
Okay.
taking this picture?
Baby.
Nice.
Oh,
Okay, she'll hold it.
Micah.
Okay, can Micah, do you want to stand in the picture? You want to, here. Okay, no throwing.
Okay, go give her. Can you give her a kiss?
Can you go give her a kiss? Okay, but you can't throw it. Oh,
Oh.
good poop. You have got to go. You got me one.